Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, click on Files. Then you need to locate your file, and when you find it, hold it. Lastly, click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. As you can see, after that, my file was successfully added. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Tap on Folders, look for your video, and when you find it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!